किसी के काम में रोक टोक नहीं करो। डू नॉट हिंडर एनीवन्स वर्क। डू नॉट हिंडर एनीवन्स वर्क। उसकी हिम्मत की सब तारीफ करते हैं। एवरीवन प्रेजेस हिज करेज। एवरीवन प्रेजेस हिज करेज। वे हमेशा हमारी तारीफ करते हैं। दे ऑलवेज प्रेज टू अस। दे ऑलवेज प्रेज टू अस। हम रोज उनके साथ टहलते हैं। We go for walk with them daily. We go for walk with them daily. आज का मैच काफी रोमांचक है। Today's match is very exciting. Today's match is very exciting. और आपकी दिवाली कैसी रही? How was your Diwali? How was your Diwali? चलो कहीं घूमने का प्लान बनाते हैं। Let's plan a trip somewhere. Let's plan a trip somewhere. आपको क्या करना पसंद है? What do you like to do? आपको क्या करना पसंद है? What do you like to do? बिना कारण अफवाह नहीं फैलती। No smoke without fire. No smoke without fire. हम उनके घर खाना खाने जाएंगे। We will go to their house for dinner. We will go to their house for dinner. मैं अब आपके साथ कुछ दिन रहूंगा। I will stay with you for a few days now. I will stay with you for a few days now. उसके लिए भी कुछ सोच लो। Think something for him too. Think something for him too. मुझे हिम्मत से काम लेने दो। Let me muster courage. Let me muster courage. तुम्हें चिंता करने की आवश्यकता नहीं है। You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry. तुम किताब को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लो। You read the book thoroughly. You read the book thoroughly. मुझे सोचने का समय दो। Give me time to think. मुझे सोचने का समय दो। Give me time to think. देखो अब क्या होता है। See what comes next. See what comes next. ऐसा होने दो। Let it pass now. ऐसा होने दो। Let it pass now. यह बहाना यहाँ नहीं चलेगा। This excuse will not stand here. This excuse will not stand here. वे मुझे क्या समझा रहे हैं? What are they explaining me? What are they explaining me? ट्रेन समय पर स्टेशन पहुंच चुकी है। Train has reached the station on time. Train has reached the station on time. हम 2020 से तैयारी कर रहे हैं। We have been preparing since 2020. We have been preparing since 2020. वो आपसे एक बार मिलना चाहेगी। She would like to meet you once. She would like to meet you once. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. जितना गाली देना है दे लो। Abuse as much as you want. Abuse as much as you want. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं जो तुम सीख नहीं सकते। There is nothing you can't learn. There is nothing you can't learn. तुम बुरा क्यों मान रहे हो? Why are you getting offended? Why are you getting offended? अब मैं तुम्हें कैसे यकीन दिलाऊं? How do I make you believe now? How do I make you believe now? मैं तुमसे छुपाना नहीं चाहती। I don't want to hide from you. I don't want to hide from you. अपने माँ से अच्छे से पेश आओ. Be nice to your mother. Be nice to your mother. ऐसा मत करो, यह अच्छी बात नहीं है. Don't do that, it's not nice. Don't do that, it's not nice. उसे पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि यह मैं हूँ. He won't even know it's me. मैं कार खरीदने की सोच रहा हूँ. I am thinking of buying a new car. I am thinking of buying a new car. तुम कहना क्या चाह रहे हो? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? क्या आप मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं करते? Don't you trust on me? Don't you trust on me? खाते वक्त अपना मुंह बंद करो. Close your mouth while eating. Close your mouth while eating. तुम इतना बकबक क्यों करते हो? Why do you chatter so much? Why do you chatter so much? कम से कम आपको मुझसे एक बार तो पूछना चाहिए. You should have asked me at least once. You should have asked me at least once. अब मैं ऐसी गलती दोबारा नहीं करूँगा. Now I will not make such mistake again. Now I will not make such mistake again. तुम्हारे आँख लाल भी हो गए हैं. Your eyes are turned red too. Your eyes are turned red too. तुमने सब कुछ बर्बाद कर दिया. You ruined everything. You ruined everything. क्या आपको घर पर समय नहीं मिलता? Don't you get time at home? Don't you get time at home? तुम यहाँ क्यों नहीं आ सकते? Why can't you come here? Why can't you come here? मैं ऊपर आपका इंतजार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you upstairs. I was waiting for you upstairs. तुम किस दुनिया में रहते हो? In which world do you live? In which world do you live? मुझे कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला. I never got a chance. I never got a chance. मैंने कोई गुनाह तो नहीं किया है? I haven't committed any crime. I haven't committed any crime. उसमें से बदबू आ रही थी. Bad smell was coming from it. Bad smell was coming from it. मुझ में इतनी हिम्मत ही नहीं है. I don't have that much courage. I don't have that much courage. उसे रोकने वाला कोई नहीं है. There is no one to stop him. There is no one to stop him. मुझे इस मामले में मत घसीटो. Do not drag me into this matter. Do not drag me into this matter. गीला तौलिया को बिस्तर पर मत रखो. Do not put wet towel on the bed. Do not put wet towel on the bed. अपना तौलिया बाहर डाल दो. Hang out your towel outside. Hang out your towel outside. मेरे चेहरे में बहुत खुजली हो रही थी. My face was itching a lot. My face was itching a lot. मेरे पास तो गाड़ी भी नहीं है. I don't have a vehicle. I don't even have a vehicle. तुम्हें फिर से भरोसा जीतना होगा. You have to win trust again. You have to win trust again. तुमने हमेशा मेरा भरोसा तोड़ा है. You always broke my trust. You always broke my trust. यह बहुत ही बुरी बात है. This is a very bad habit. This is a very bad habit. तुम बहुत ही मूर्ख इंसान हो. You are such a stupid person. You are such a stupid person. उसकी बातों को दिल से मत लगाना. Don't take his words to heart. Don't take his words to heart. उसकी बातों का बुरा मत मानो. Don't mind his words. Don't mind his words. माफ करना, वह तो मैं नहीं बता सकता. Sorry, I can't tell that. Sorry, I can't tell that. गाड़ी पार करना तो और भी मुश्किल है. It is even more difficult to cross the vehicle. It is even more difficult to cross the vehicle. तुम्हारी खूबसूरती का राज क्या है? What is the secret of your beauty? What is the secret of your beauty? तुमने यह क्या पहन रखा है? What are you wearing? तुमने यह क्या पहन रखा है? What are you wearing? पंखे का स्पीड थोड़ा धीमा कर दो. Slow down the fan speed a bit. Slow down the fan speed a bit. सच ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं छुप सकता. Truth cannot be hidden for long. Truth cannot be hidden for long. दाल में कुछ काला है. Something is fishy. दाल में कुछ काला है. Something is fishy. मुझे अपनी बात पूरा करने दो. Let me complete my talk. Let me complete my talk. अगर तुमने गलती की है तो माफ़ी मांगो. Apologize if you had made a mistake. Apologize if you have made a mistake. ऊपर वाला तुम्हें खूब कामयाबी दे. May the Almighty give you lots of success. May the Almighty give you lots of success. पता नहीं मेरी तलाश कब खत्म होगी. Don't know when my search will end. Don't know when my search will end. वह अजीब बातें करता है. He talks strange. वह अजीब बातें करता है. He talks strange. टेंशन लेने से इंसान सिर्फ बीमार होता है. Taking tension only make a person ill. Taking tension only make a person ill. कम से कम तुम्हें गरारे तो करने चाहिए. At least you should gargle. At least you should gargle. मैं कोई नाटक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not doing any drama. I am not doing any drama. मेरा गला सूख रहा है. My throat is getting dry. मेरा गला सूख रहा है. My throat is getting dry. उसने मुखौटा पहन रखा है. He is wearing a mask. He is wearing a mask. मेरे पास फालतू समय नहीं है. I don't have spare time. I don't have spare time. समय बहुत कीमती होता है. Time is very valuable. समय बहुत कीमती होता है. Time is very valuable. मैं उसका इंतज़ार कर रही हूँ. I am waiting for her. I am waiting for her. मैं तो अपनी किस्मत पर रो रहा हूँ. I am crying on my fate. I am crying on my fate. मैंने तुम्हें कमरे में रहने को कहा था ना. I told you to stay in the room, didn't I? I told you to stay in the room, didn't I? मैं उसे सरप्राइज देना चाहता हूँ. I want to surprise her. I want to surprise her. मैं यह नहीं कई बार कह चुका हूँ. I have said this many times. I have said this many times. बड़ों से ऐसे बात करते हैं. Do you talk to elders like this? Do you talk to elders like this? मुझसे तमीज से बात करो. Talk to me politely. मुझसे तमीज से बात करो. Talk to me politely. मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am not praising myself. I am not praising myself. अब मुझसे सुबह उठा नहीं जाता. Now I can't wake up in the morning. Now I can't wake up in the morning. मुझे आज कुछ एक्स्ट्रा लंच देना. Give me some extra lunch today. Give me some extra lunch today. मैं आज जल्दी घर आ जाऊंगा. I will come home early today. I will come home early today. उसे जरूर नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए. He must follow the rules. He must follow the rules. आपको अवश्य ईमानदार होना चाहिए. You must be honest. You must be honest. उसे बताने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. There is no use of telling him. There is no use of telling him. आपको रोज समय पर उठना चाहिए. You should wake up on time every day. You should wake up on time every day. समय से पहले संभल जाओ. Be careful ahead of time. Be careful ahead of time. हम अक्सर उनके लिए समय निकालते हैं. We often make time for them. We often make time for them. मैं उसका हर समय साथ दूंगा. I will support him all the time. I will support him all the time. उसने सोचने के लिए समय नहीं दिया. He didn't give time to think. He didn't give time to think. मेरे पास अब बिल्कुल काम नहीं है. I have no work at all now. I have no work at all now. वो अब और ज़्यादा मेहनत करेगा. He will work harder now. He will work harder now. मैं उसके साथ समय बिताऊंगा. I will spend time with him. I will spend time with him. हम उनके लिए खाना बनाएंगे. We will cook for them. We will cook for them. उसे अपनी जान की परवाह नहीं है. He doesn't care about his life. He doesn't care about his life. वो मेरा पूरा साथ देगा. He will support me fully. He will support me fully. वे हमें कुछ नया बताएंगे. They will tell us something new. वे हमें कुछ नया बताएंगे. They will tell us something new. उस जगह पर अंधेरा है. There is darkness in that place. There is darkness in that place. अब ये कभी कोई गलती नहीं करेगा. Now he will never commit any mistake. Now he will never commit any mistake. मैं उन कागजों पर अंगूठा नहीं लगाऊंगा. I won't thumb on those papers. I won't thumb on those papers. मैं आज तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ सकता. I can't come with you today. I can't come with you today. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. क्या तुम्हें लगता है मैं जीतूंगा? Do you think I will win? Do you think I will win? मैं तुम्हारे ही बारे में सोच रहा था. I was thinking about you. मैं तुम्हारे ही बारे में सोच रहा था. I was thinking about you. मैं हंसना तो भूल ही गया हूँ. I have forgotten to laugh. I have forgotten to laugh. मगर तुम इतना चिल्ला क्यों रही हो? बट वाई आर यू सो शाउटिंग? बट वाई आर यू सो शाउटिंग? इस वक्त तुम होश में नहीं हो। यू आर नॉट इन योर सेंसेस राइट नाउ। यू आर नॉट इन योर सेंसेस राइट नाउ। मैं अपने किए पर बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ। आई एम वेरी मच ashamed for what I did. I am very much ashamed for what I did. आपको ऐसा सामान रोज रोज नहीं मिलेगा। You won't get such stuff every day. You won't get such stuff every day. मुझे एक मुस्कान के साथ विदा करो। Send me off with a smile. Send me off with a smile. ये तो बस समझने की बात है। It's just a matter of understanding. ये तो बस समझने की बात है। It's just a matter of understanding. ये तो दोस्ती का एक छोटा सा तोहफा है। It's just a little gift of friendship. It's just a little gift of friendship. तुम ये छोटी सी भेंट स्वीकार कर लो। You accept this small gift. You accept this small gift. आपने मुझे दावत क्यों दी? Why did you invite me? Why did you invite me? उसे वक्त की परवाह नहीं है। He doesn't care about the time. He doesn't care about the time. मैंने जो कुछ भी किया वो मेरा फर्ज था। Whatever I did was my duty. Whatever I did was my duty. बहुत ही बदतमीज किस्म के आदमी हो तुम। You are really a mannerless person. You are really a mannerless person. आपको कुछ अलग करना पड़ेगा। You will have to do something different. You will have to do something different. झूठ बोलना आपको शोभा नहीं देता। Lying doesn't suit you. Lying doesn't suit you. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा करना चाहिए था। I should have trusted you. I should have trusted you. हमें हमारी दोस्ती तोड़नी ही पड़ेगी। We will have to break our friendship. We will have to break our friendship. मैं बाकी लोगों की तरह नहीं हूँ। I am not like the rest of the people. I am not like the rest of the people. मैं तुम्हारे साथ ही तो बड़ा हुआ हूँ। I have grown up with you. I have grown up with you. इंसान का दिल बड़ा होना चाहिए। A person's heart should be big. A person's heart should be big. मैं जीतने के लिए कुछ भी करूँगा। I will do anything to win. I will do anything to win. यही तो तुम्हें पता लगाना है। That's what you have to find out. That's what you have to find out. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। This is enough for today. आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है। This is enough for today. उसने मेरी कुछ ज़्यादा ही तारीफ कर दी। She praised me too much. She praised me too much. कोई इतनी जल्दी हार कैसे मान सकता है? How can anybody give up so soon? How can anybody give up so soon? तुम्हारा वहाँ जाना जरूरी है क्या? Is it important for you to go there? Is it important for you to go there? कभी-कभी ये बिना वजह रुक जाता है। Sometimes it stops without any reason. Sometimes it stops without any reason. सिर्फ तुम ही उसे मना सकती हो। Only you can convince him. Only you can convince him. ये कोई आसान काम नहीं है। This is not an easy task. This is not an easy task. आज मैं थका थका महसूस कर रहा हूँ। Today I am feeling tired and exhausted. Today I am feeling tired and exhausted. मैं आपके साथ बैठना चाहूँगा। I would like to sit with you. I would like to sit with you. तुम एकदम ठीक बोल रहे हो। You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है। I am not involved in this. I am not involved in this. मेरी तरफ से सॉरी बोल देना उसको। Say sorry to her on my behalf. Say sorry to her on my behalf. पहले मेरा काम पूरा करो। Finish my work first. पहले मेरा काम पूरा करो। Finish my work first. पता नहीं मेरे साथ यह सब क्या हो रहा है। Don't know what is happening with me. Don't know what is happening with me. वह मेरे दूर के चाचा लगते हैं। He seems to be my distant uncle. He seems to be my distant uncle. मेरी मुलाकात कभी कभी होती है उससे। I meet him sometimes. I meet him sometimes. उसने सफ़ेद शर्ट और काली जीन्स पहनी थी। He wore a white shirt and black jeans. He wore a white shirt and black jeans. कितने अच्छे आदमी थे वो। He was such a nice person. He was such a nice person. वहाँ आगे कुछ लोग लड़ाई कर रहे हैं। Some people are fighting ahead there. Some people are fighting ahead there. बात आगे नहीं बढ़नी चाहिए। The matter should not proceed further. बात आगे नहीं बढ़नी चाहिए। The matter should not proceed further. खुद को कभी अकेला मत समझना। Never consider yourself alone. Never consider yourself alone. अच्छा होगा तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ। You had better go from here. You had better go from here. हम अपनी मंजिल में पहुँचने ही वाले हैं। We are about to reach our destination. We are about to reach our destination. क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? क्या आपको अच्छी नींद आई? Did you sleep well? हमने रास्ते में एक अजीब चीज देखी। We saw an awkward thing on the way. We saw an awkward thing on the way. क्या तुमने हाल ही में उसे देखा है? Have you seen him recently? Have you seen him recently? मुझे ये पहेली सुलझानी है। I have to solve this puzzle. I have to solve this puzzle. आपको कौन सी मूवी सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है? Which movie do you like the most? Which movie do you like the most? तुम्हारे दिमाग में भूसा भरा है। Your head is full of kelp. Your head is full of kelp. हमारे बीच बातचीत नहीं है। We don't talk to each other. We don't talk to each other. वो मुझे शायद दूसरा मौका ना दे। Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. Maybe he doesn't give me another chance. मेरा सिर चकरा रहा है। I am feeling giddy. मेरा सिर चकरा रहा है। I am feeling giddy. वैसे तो वो अच्छा है मगर मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता। Although he is very nice, but I don't like him. Although he is very nice, but I don't like him. वैसे तो मैंने उसे बुलाया था। Although I had called him, although I had called, वो चाय पिए या ना पिए मैं तो पीऊँगा. I will drink tea whether he drinks or not. I will drink tea whether he drinks or not. वैसे तो वो सब मेरे अपने हैं. Although they are my family. Although they are my family. मेरे बाल लंबे हुआ करते थे. I used to have long hair. I used to have long hair. लोग दूर दूर से आते हैं. People come from far and wide. People come from far and wide. तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. वो अभी भी बुरे दौर से गुजर रहा है. He is still going through a bad phase. He is still going through a bad phase. यह मेरा अपना फैसला है. This is my own decision. This is my own decision. तुम बहुत आलसी हो गए हो. You have become very lazy. You have become very lazy. तुम बहुत पतले हो गए हो. You have become very skinny. You have become very skinny. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो गए हो. You have become very rude. You have become very rude. प्रवेश द्वार से दूर खड़े रहो. Stand away from the entrance. Stand away from the entrance. कपड़ों पर इस्त्री कर दो. Iron the clothes. कपड़ों पर इस्त्री कर दो. Iron the clothes. Translate it. मुझे सच बताओ. Thank you.